Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video at Moorhead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. So we're going to do a little bit of gardening work out here, and then I'm going to turn the camera over. Already turned the camera over. Lindy and Hallie did some pickling the other night. I'm going to edit that footage, put it in here. Don't know what all went on with all that. It'll be new to me as I watch it when I edit, so that'll be later on in the video. What we're doing right now, you can see Lindy's over at the raised beds, pulling up all them old tomato plants. We're starting over. We're not giving up. Heard some of you guys say, don't give up, and you guys are right. It is still early. It's not even August yet. And in Oklahoma, we have warm temperatures all the way mid-late October. So we are going to plant some more. We're not giving up. We're going to fight. Not gonna let the beetles win this year. So Lindy's over here doing some work. We got all these pulled. The okra's still producing, getting some blooms on it, mowing down the squash because it's done, and then gonna get the tiller back after this and see if we can get some more tomatoes, some green beans. What else was we gonna plant, babe? Peas. Probably another round of potatoes or two, a few more rows. So we're not giving up. We're going to keep fighting. Well, we got another raised garden bed to pull out, so I better get busy. Alright, see, we got some cleaning out. We kind of, once all that happened, we kind of let all this go, so now we got grass all in it. We're going to have to clean all this up. I'll get the bull rake over it, break all this up, this one as well. But you can see the soil. It is really good and dark. It's real fertile. We're going to clean out a little on this. But before too long, we'll have fresh new plants in here. And hopefully we can fend off them beetles for the rest of the year. We haven't seen any beetles since that day, right?
Yeah. No, I saw one scraggler on the porch, but that was it.
Squashing?
Yes, I did.
Squashed them. So that's where the potatoes were. We've kind of just been mowing that, haven't re-tilled it yet, so that's going to be even more work now. Didn't anticipate having to do this, but now that we do, it's like starting all over on a spring garden. It's going to be some work. One of the things is going to be finding some tomato plants. We don't want to start from the seed because of how much time we got, and the tomato plants that now, I mean, they're probably 20 bucks, you know, for a plant that's a foot and a half tall. They're like 25 bucks if you can find them in this area. So now it's going to be even more expensive to get this garden going back, but it's better than not having tomatoes at all, or green beans, or peas, or anything like that. So alrighty, not much work going on outside tonight. Like I said, my battery's about to die, so we're going to go on in, and you guys will see that footage now of them making some pickles. And then we'll do a little taste test.
Alright, well, we're going to try our hand at making some, what are we going to make?
Pickles.
Pickles! We're going to cut these up first. So, you ready to get busy? Well, we're going to cut all of them. And we've got our jars here. So we're going to cut these up first, and then we will catch back up with you as soon as we get done cutting. We've got all of our cucumbers quartered now. Okay, we're gonna layer our jar with dill, garlic cloves, and a bay leaf.
Bay leaf. That. Do I need the apple cider vinegar?
Not yet. We're gonna do a mixture in just a little bit.
And I open this. Garlic? Are you using garlic? How do I do this?
Okay, so we're gonna put dill.
I'm trying to open this. It's not opening.
Okay, I'll turn that over. We're gonna put dill and bay leaf in. And 2 garlic cloves. And then Hallie, I want you to start packing these with as many cucumbers as you can when I put those in there, okay?
Okay.
And if they're too long, just leave them out and I'll cut them in a little bit. Did we put a bay leaf in that one?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good? Okay, I need this one. Where do I put this?
Just sit up there.
Bay leaf, 2 garlics, and dill. I forgot what that one needs trimmed. There's one more right here. You didn't put a bay leaf in this.
I did.
Does that count or does it need to be extra?
No, it's fine.
That needs trim.
What's up, ladies? Hey guys. What are you making, sis?
Pickles.
All right, I'm so excited.
Okay. So now we're going to do 8 cups of water and a cup of apple cider vinegar and a 1/3 cup of salt. And we're going to
Where's
mix
the
that
cup?
together.
Here, is this a cup? 8.
Okay, I'm just going to do it real quick. I'll let you do the apple cider vinegar.
Okay. I have it. Apple cider vinegar. How many
Okay,
cups of
we've got
apple
8 cups of water in here, and now we're going to do a cup of apple cider vinegar.
Can you pour it
No, you can do it.
to the cup?
Yep. You got it. Okay.
That was easy.
Okay, you're gonna pour it in with the water.
Oh, it's deep. Oh,
Okay, and then a 1/3 cup of salt in here. You already poured it in there?
yeah.
Mix it around, get the salt to dissolve.
What's the white stuff at the bottom?
Just the salt. We gotta get it to dissolve. Now we've got our brine here with the water, apple cider vinegar, and salt, and we're just gonna pour these in, fully submerge the cucumbers in the jars.
Then how long does it take?
We will go over that in just a little bit.
Will I be able to have one tonight?
No.
Tomorrow?
No.
A week?
We'll talk about it in a little bit. Okay, we're gonna lightly cover these jars with the lids and We're gonna let them sit on the counter for 2 days out of direct sunlight, and then you can tighten the lids after 2 days. You can eat them after 2 days, but then tighten the lids. All right, we've got our jars made up. How many did we do, Holly? 3, 6, 9, we did 12 jars. 12 jars of pickles. So we will let these, like I said, we put the lids on lightly, loosely, and then they will sit on the counter for 2 days out of the sunlight, and then we'll be able to test them, see how they taste, and then we can screw them down tight and store them. You excited to test them?
Yeah.
All right, so we will check back in 2 days, let you know how they taste. You're doing our video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait to open that then. Check back in 2 days, see how they taste, and then we will let you know if it was a success or not. Sound good? Okay, see you in 2 days.
What'd you do, Hunter?
Oh my gosh.
Salsa spill.
Salsa spill. So we come in to Lindy's homemade salsa, spilled all over the counter. Now it's the bowl's about gone.
Hunter, how'd you do that?
He tried to take it outside. I told him no. So he tried to set it back down and he dumped it.
Should have saw his face when I walked in and caught him in the middle of trying to clean it up.
No, he started.
He just froze. He went.
He was gonna cry because I was about to go tell, and he's like, no, don't do it, no. Why did you just kick me?
Alrighty, well, we are back inside. We're going to try these pickles. You guys just saw that Lindy and Hallie, they were up to like 10 o'clock making these pickles. It's been roughly 2 days. They've been setting in these jars. So, let's try them. Alrighty, whoa, where'd they go?
Right here.
Let's give the old sniff test first.
Like pickles? Me. Let me stop.
Kind of pickly, kind of cucumbery, if I'm being honest.
Can I smell it?
Smells like pickles to me.
Because you never eat pickles.
Alright. Get one down here on bottom. Give me a fork.
The most juiciest one.
The extra most juiciest one.
So it don't really taste like a cucumber. It tastes like pickle. Yummy. Pickle.
Is it good?
Pickle.
Try it.
I already tried it. It tastes like a cucumber.
Try this one.
Cucumber.
I think they might need a couple more days of setting. They still got a little bit of cucumber hint to them, whatever. They're not fully dill yet.
No, they taste like cucumber.
Like a lot like cucumber? Sure about that?
Yeah. I'm sure.
Well, it's not a complete fail. We're going to give it a couple more days. We'll do another taste test and see if they...
Or we can just sell them.
You want to sell them and they don't taste...
Get money.
Yeah, but you're going to sell them as pickles and they taste like cucumbers?
Yeah, we're gonna wait.
Oh.
And sell for money. You gotta fix it first.
Oh.
Money.
Well, we're going to wait a few more days, give it another shot, then let y'all know. But they are turning. It's not full of cucumber. It does kind of taste like pickle and kind of like cucumber. So give it a couple more days, see what happens. This recipe called for 2 days of set time. It's been 2 days. 3 won't hurt. Right? Alright guys, that's all we got in today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. God bless.